our attachment for meat grinding machines. First off, the overall dimensions. From the bottom to the top of the tray, we have at least 9 inches in height. And the overall height from the bottom to the top, we have at least 11 inches tall. Measurements for the tray itself, we have 11 3/4 inches in length by 15.5 inches in depth. Measurements for the interior, we have at least 9.5 inches in length by 13 inches in depth by 2.5 inches in height. Measurements for the bottom, the blade, overall radius of 4 inches. Measurements for the front plate will be 2.5 inches. This also applies to the extra face that you'll be receiving. Coming to the back will be a bolt to be mounted onto that meat grinder that you want to attach this to. Coming to the bottom will be the blade, along with the extra set of the dispenser face that can be removed and inserted. 3 attachments, including the funnel, along with 2 plastic push tools. So when dispensing the meat, these accessories are included to help you guide and prepare whatever you want to dispense with the meat grinding machine. For more questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.